Okay, so I'm going to show you how to download this mod for Minecraft. For Windows in particular, unfortunately, I do not know how to download it on other platforms, but I hope it's going to give you a rough idea on how to do it. There will be a Turkish version if you prefer that, just in case. But yeah, let's get started. So I hope you've got access to this link. If not, I'm sure we'll find a way to share it with you. If not, you can probably just Google it. We'll see a few files here. And we're going to get back to this README file in a bit, but what we're going to do now is we're just going to download the entire folder. We're going to click here, and you can see download zip. Once you've done that, I've done it earlier, so it's going to be in a different folder. Let me just remove this from an earlier recording. So you'll have the zip file here in your downloads folder, and what we're going to do now is we're simply going to extract it right here, and it will show up here. Lovely. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to rename it. Yep, that did not work. Hold on. I'm just going to click here. I'm just going to rename it based on the actual name of the mod. I don't think it's going to affect in any harmful way if you left it this way, but I'm just going to do it for simplicity, really. Yeah. So we've got the folder here now. It's all ready to go. What we're going to do now is we're going to open a lovely app called Command Prompt. If you're on Windows, I don't know what you would use on Mac, unfortunately. But we're going to do this in order to find out where our game files actually located. The game files, you might know where they are if you're on Mac, so you might not even need this per se. But if you do not know where it is, there's a simple way to find out. So what we're going to do now is we're going to type in start %app data %.minecraft, and this should lead us to our folder. There we are. That's our Minecraft folder. You can see up here. We've got lots of folders and files and data, which essentially just leads into your game in the end. If you have not downloaded any if you haven't downloaded any mods before, you will have to create a folder called resource packs. I'm going to go ahead and do that. And once that's created, we're going to go in and copy our lovely, that's not it, unfortunately. Where do I put it? There we go. We're going to copy our extracted folder into the resource packs folder that's inside Minecraft. So we've done that now. Our mod in theory is in the game. We still have to enable it in a bit. But what we're going to do now is we're going to go in and check this pack.mcmeta file. We're going to open Notepad or whatever software we're going to use. And we do not look at anything but the number here. You can see a 64 here, which I used because it reflects the version I'm currently using in terms of Minecraft. You have to open Minecraft actually. Whilst Minecraft is loading, I'm going to show you where to find out your number. We're going back to the download folder where we got our folder from, the mod itself, and you can see here the README file says, please open this link and copy the number you've got that reflects your version. We've got quite a few numbers here. I used 64 for my file, and you can find out simply by opening your launcher. I'm automatically here, Minecraft Java Edition, and if you look at this, you can see your release version, your latest one at least. That's 1.2.1.8, and if I look at this list here, you can find it right there, 1.2.1.8. So I used 64. If you do have a different version, any of these up here, please feel free to go to your mcmeta file and replace the number here with whatever corresponds to the number or the version you're using. Since it fits, matches with what I use, I'm just going to close it, and I should be good to go. It's in the folder now, so I'm just going to press play. There we go. Got a game here. It's already in Laz. So I need to undo that really quick so you know what to do here. I'll move this back. Okay, just ignore what just happened. We can see the normal menu in English here. We're going to click on Options, Resource Packs. You can see a custom language Minecraft, which has this waffle symbol because that's based on what I use this mod with. Probably going to replace eventually. But for now, we're just going to move it over to the selected mods and press Done. So, you see the menu here again. We go to Options, and then simply go to Language, and you can scroll down. You will find Laz down here, or if you scroll further down, you will be able to find Wollastic. You can select that, and your game should be in Wollastic. Now, kiss there, Otukai, Witai, and that's all the Wollastic. I know, unfortunately, my Wollastic is not that great. Apologies, but that's how you can change and how you can install them on Windows at least.